Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall the Steam application from your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, just click on the search box and then search for the Steam application. Once you find the app, you can simply look over to the right side and you will find Uninstall. Go ahead and click on it and this will open up the Programs and Features page. Now from this page, simply scroll down and search for Steam. Once you find it, just click on it and you will be able to find the Uninstall button at the top section. Just go ahead and click on Uninstall and then this will open up the Steam uninstaller. Just click on the Uninstall button once again and this will immediately begin the uninstallation of the Steam application. Just wait for a while until this process is completed, and when it's done, you will see the Close button. Just go ahead and click on it, and now the Steam application has been removed from your list. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to uninstall the Steam application from your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.